Hi, I'm Donna. And I'm Sally. Ew, it's huge. Today we are going to be making your home-style quesadillas. Today we are going to move the chicken out of the pan, and we thawed this out because it was frozen. And then we preheat it to 375 until it's 100 degrees. 170 degrees. And you can always buy pre-cooked chicken instead of, freezer chicken. Instead of heating up right quick. Oh, we have mesquite. Mesquite.
Want to show them the bottle?
Oh yeah. Here you go. Mesquite. Ha. Ta-da. So we have our quesadillas, like chicken for our quesadillas in the oven, our quesadilla shells out, and we're shredding cheese right now, so yeah. We're going to sprinkle more mesquite on there, and on the back side. Okay, so you're going to cook the chicken for about 4 or 5 minutes, and then you're going to flip it and let it cook for another 4 or 5 minutes, and then check the temperature. Right now, I'm just putting the, making sure it's the right temperature. It's at 165. It's moving up. Okay. So, it's at 170. Now that the chicken is done, we're going to chop it into pieces. And that's it. Okay, we put butter on the tortilla, and we're gonna smear it all around. This is margarine butter. About a tablespoon of butter, margarine butter, and we're going to put it in the pan. So, what we're going to do is I'm going to put the chicken in, and then she's going to put the cheese in. So, here we go. Now we're going to put this tortilla with the butter on facing up. Let it cook till the bottom is crispy and delicious. And that's really good. The leftover chicken, just dig in.
They're animals, folks. They're animals.
Don't judge me. Ew, it's huge.
Ladies and gentlemen, Donna drinking her pop. She is the all-time 3-year-in-a-row champion for pop drinking.
Yo! While waiting for my quesadilla to be done too. Got cheese off. Take the metal spatula right here. You know? You gotta be pro at this. And like I said, pro. It's okay. And if your stuff fell out, just fix it. Yeah. Okay, we like it crispy. Now eat the burnt cheese. With the meat. There you go. Yum, yum, yum. Delicious. Okay, so this is how your shell should look. Make sure you pay attention because ours did not, the other side did not turn out as good. It's a little burnt, but make sure yours looks like this and you keep an eye on it and make sure it's all good. We're using a pizza cutter. Wait, it's not cut all the way. I think it's fake. And here is the final result. It looks juicy, good. Oh, the cheese. Even with the other side being a little crispy, it still tastes really good. It's really good. Delicious. That's really good. You can put tomatoes, green peppers, yellow peppers, make it a little spicy, put jalapenos, onions, spice it up a little bit, put some hot sauce. Anything you want, just design your own. Make it your own. Delicious. That's really good. The last part is you have to eat it. Thanks for watching Mike's Recipes.
Ever go to McDonald's and have leftover salt packets? Instead of throwing them away, keep them. Next time you're at the movie theater and you get popcorn, you're halfway through it, and you wish you had a little more salt, you can use them. McDonald's is the only restaurant that uses powdered salt as their condiment, which is popcorn salt. Problem solved. You have some extra packets. Instead of putting them in the trash, take them in your pocket to the theater, and you have some extra salt on you. Popcorn salt. Thanks for watching Mike's Recipes.